Unlock the secret to consistently creating compelling user-generated content ads without the manual grind. Today, we're diving deep into N8n, the powerful workflow automation tool, to show you exactly how to build an automated system for your user-generated content, or UGC, ad campaigns. First, we need to gather that invaluable UGC will set up a trigger, perhaps a webhook that captures new submissions directly from your campaign, or a platform like Instagram. This acts as the starting point for our entire automated pipeline. Next, it's time to refine the ad nodes to filter and process the content. Perhaps selecting videos that meet specific criteria, removing duplicates, or even extracting key text from the submissions. This ensures you're working with the best raw material. Now for the magic, we can integrate with tools to automatically perform basic edits, like trimming, adding intros or outros, or even overlaying your brand logo. It significantly reduces the manual editing bottleneck and can even involve AI for more sophisticated enhancements. Once the content is polished, we automate the publishing and can connect directly to your preferred ad platforms, preparing the UGC assets for your campaigns. You can define ad sets, targeting parameters, and even set up a B testing directly within the workflow. The beauty of this system is its scalability. You can manage and deploy large volumes of authentic UGC with unprecedented efficiency, allowing you to consistently refresh your ad creative and connect with your audience on a more genuine level. By automating your UGC ad creation with N8n, you're not just saving time. You're unlocking a powerful, cost-effective way to build trust, drive engagement, and supercharge your marketing. Start building your UGC automation today.